On the morning of June 30th, 1908, an explosion occurred in Siberia, Russia. It happened near the stony Tunguska River in a sparsely populated area known as Eastern Siberian Taiga. Approximately 800 square miles, or more than 2,000 square kilometers, were flattened. It is hard to overstate the magnitude of the explosion. 30 million trees were flattened, and there was an area of approximately 200 square kilometers where the vegetation was burned. There have been many estimates of the force of the explosion, and they range from 10 to 90 megatons. 15 megatons is about 1,000 times greater than the nuclear explosion that destroyed Hiroshima at the end of World War II. But it is important to remember that scientists are specialists in coming up with theories, and they are also highly trained in the art of sounding convincing. They construct their theories to fit what they believe to be the facts. But that does not make those theories correct, which is why we have so many conflicting theories regarding the cause of the Tunguska event. Some have said it was a meteor, even an antimatter meteor. Others have claimed it to be an asteroid, and still others have claimed it to be a comet. And yes, there are those who find indications that the explosion was nuclear, perhaps a nuclear natural explosion from the core of a comet, or even an atomic explosion from an extraterrestrial spacecraft. And it just so happens to be a mystery that can be addressed using remote viewing of the sort used in a long list of projects that have been conducted at the Farsight Institute.
I worked this target under the heading 3KFX-7FCP. That identifier was generated by a randomizer program. I was told nothing about the target.
This is a natural object. It sort of seems like a rock.
There are 3 male-orientated, because it doesn't feel female, life forms in this structure.
There is this giant plume of smoky, explosive material, just boom, just shoots right out. But in addition, as this shoots out very quickly, the trees, I drew this over here, the trees go from being upright to completely slanted to the side.
I saw the rock. The explosion was absolutely beautiful, breathtaking.
But it seems like there's this object that sort of falls right into here. And this is like this volatile, energetic core of energy.
And it's dropping fast, picking up speed, lots of speed. And then it feels like a decision's made to destroy.
Looking inside of it seems like there's a lot of high-tech, very dense technological equipment inside of there. Like not one space is free.
This project has caused quite a bit of controversy at Farsight, almost shouting matches. That is to say, we have had our share of arguments regarding these results. So it falls to me to offer an interpretation of these results. An interpretation that produces a credible narrative that might explain the Tunguska event.